Hello, I'm Jason Buck and I work with Remax Estate Properties, and welcome to June Gloom. So during the summer, when the water is still a little bit cold and it's super hot out in the desert, it's really just evaporization, and it's just happening right in front of us. And you see in the tree, it's like the fog. And so, you know, out inland it's clear, but here we get you can't see the ocean. It's such a shame. But here we go, Via Nogales. Nice property. In a little area up front before we get in. Wow, this is cool. So, market continues to be really busy. Not a lot of inventory, and neat stuff sells fast. Like this one's cool. You're right on into the kitchen. I like the quartz probably. It's pretty. Ooh, tongue and groove, maple line. Nice. And I like the glass backsplash. I like an island, and you know what? This is a big view here, big deck. This is nice. The mirrors make me feel even bigger. Wow, this would have a killer view if it wasn't so foggy. Wow. I can't see water down this way. And then you'd get the coastline, some city lights over there. So that's a really neat spot if it wasn't so crazy. Neat. I got some solar up there. Nice big deck. Fireplace. Look at this cool track lighting. It's great. Get into our bedrooms. Okay, so they did a room separator with a draper. Maybe it's a dream catcher. But it looks like the windows have been replaced. It's nice. An updated bath here with a sunk tub. That's nice. Oh, VCR equipment for the TV. On into what will be the master. And you got a pretty killer view from the master. When there is a view. Once again, it's a tough day today, view-wise. So we come downstairs. There's a nice sitting room. It's a bath. There's a little water damage right there, but it shouldn't be too much of an issue. There's no shower, so it's just a half bath. Quick peek out here. And another hot tub. And deck. Well, here's something. This is like more stuff. This is a pool bath, that's cool. It goes on through to a little kitchenette. So we have a little kitchen that goes outside to the front area. Tankless water in here. And then a very small room. This has got to be storage because I can barely fit in here. I'm 6 feet and my head's touching. It's kind of interesting. Wow, you don't see a diving board anymore, and then that one's really high. Wow. Really interesting. So, don't think there's a way into that from down here. Let's see what's behind this door.
Hi, Jason.
Oh wow, big store. Oh, this is the garage. Okay. That makes sense. Pretty neat. So, once again, the market is crazy. There's just not a lot of inventory. And if you're looking for a property, I'm happy to help you out. Give a call. We'll go to the next level. Make it a great day.